Hello everyone, welcome to TestingAdda. I am Krishan Chawla and today we will be looking into how to set up your first Selenium project with Eclipse. There is a variety of IDEs available in market such as NetBeans, Eclipse, BlueJ, IntelliJ, but the most popular IDE for Java is Eclipse and IntelliJ. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to install Eclipse and how to set up the first Selenium project. In case if you wish to use IntelliJ, I have a separate tutorial on how to set up first Selenium project with IntelliJ. I'll provide the link to that tutorial in the description box below. Now let's get started with installing Eclipse. In order to download Eclipse, open your browser and type Eclipse download. We'll be using their official website, that is eclipse.org, to download Eclipse. Open the link. Once you open the website, you will be able to see download packages link. Click on download packages. Now we have two different ways to install Eclipse to our system. The first one is using Eclipse installer and the second one is Eclipse packages. The only difference between an installer and the packages, if you are downloading a package, it comes as a zip file. You just have to extract that zip file and start working. There is no need to install Eclipse in your system. For now, we will be working with Eclipse installer. Click on Eclipse installer. Choose the operating system you are working with. For now, we are working with Windows 64-bit. I'll click on the link. Click on download. The download will now begin. Once the download is completed, we will proceed further with the installation of Eclipse. The installer is downloaded successfully. Launch the installer. It will ask the type of Eclipse you want. We will be installing Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You can set the installation path, but I'll keep it as default. I don't want desktop shortcut. I'll press install. Eclipse installation is now complete. We'll start by creating our first project with Eclipse. Click on launch. Wait for the Eclipse to load for the first time. It will ask you to create a workspace. I'll keep the default workspace and press launch. Now click on File, New, Java Project. Give a name to the project. I'll give it as TestingAdda First Project. We'll use the default workspace location and press next. Press finish. We don't need to create. Now our first project is created. In order to get started with Selenium, we need to do two more tasks. First, to install TestNG plugin, and second, add these Selenium libraries to the project. Let's begin with the installation of TestNG plugin. In order to do it, click on Help, click on Install New Software. Here, we need to provide the link to the TestNG binary. Open the browser and type TestNG. TestNG.org is the official website to TestNG. Open the website and click on download. Once you scroll down, you will be able to see how to install TestNG plugin on Eclipse. You just need to copy this URL, go back to Eclipse and type in this URL, click add and add. Eclipse will now locate for the TestNG binaries. Here we can see Eclipse was able to find the TestNG binary successfully. Select the binary, press next, click next, accept the agreement and finish. Will install anyway. The installation of TestNG plugin is done successfully. We need to restart Eclipse. We'll press restart now. To check if the plugin is installed successfully or not, we'll right click the project and there must be a TestNG module. As we can see, TestNG module is now available. Now we need to add the TestNG library to our project to ensure our project is TestNG compatible. We'll right click the project, go to build path, add libraries. Here we can see TestNG. Select the TestNG library and press next, finish. We have successfully added TestNG library to our project. Now we need to add Selenium libraries to get started with Selenium automation. In order to get Selenium library, open the browser again and type Selenium. Selenium.dev is the official website for Selenium. Open this website, go to downloads. You will be able to see Selenium Server Grid. We will be using Selenium Server Grid. The latest version for the Selenium Server Grid is 3.141.59. We'll download this one. Click on the link. The download will now begin. We'll keep it. Now we'll go back to Eclipse. In order to add this jar to our project, right click your project, build path and configure build path. Here we'll go to libraries, select module path and click on add external jars. Locate the jar which you recently downloaded. Mine is available in downloads. Press open. We have successfully imported the Selenium jar. Click apply and close. Here we can see the Selenium standalone jar available in reference libraries. We are now done with our first Selenium project using Eclipse. If you like the video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel for more such videos.